this video, we will explore the long form of academic content students get while pursuing higher education. A dissertation. A dissertation is an elongated piece of academic writing of between 10 to 20,000 words on a particular topic assigned by a university or chosen by the student. A dissertation has these sections. Out of them, we will know in depth about an important part: references. Dissertation references are the action of mentioning or alluding to something. Learn more about it in the upcoming slides. The must-include elements of writing a dissertation references: the name, then the year, the title, the level of thesis, the university, and then the city. However, it also depends on the style of citing a reference. Look into its brief explanation in the next slide. These are the ways to cite the references. Education, psychology and the sciences all employ APA. The humanities adhere to MLA formatting. Business, history, and the fine arts all employ the Chicago/Turabian formatting style. The format of references varies with these styles, but is there an exact number of references a dissertation should have? Though there is no specific number of references a dissertation should have. It is because it depends on factors like the degree level of the dissertation, the topic for the dissertation, and the requirements of academics. Learn about their detailed version in the next slide. Depending on the level of degree a student is pursuing, the references will change. There are 3 different sorts of degrees, including the bachelor's, which requires a minimum of 45 to 50 references and a maximum of 100. The number for master's might range from 50 to 100 references. And for a PhD, at least 150 references are required, with a maximum of 200. The topic of the dissertation plays a vital role in the references. If the topic is common to a student, they will find many references to it. However, if it's a new topic or tough to deal with, a student might not find many references for it. Continue watching the next slide to understand the role of a topic in detail. The number of references can be determined by the topic. The themes for a bachelor's degree are less complex, therefore less study and fewer references are needed. For a master's degree, further research is needed and references tend to rise steadily. Additionally, the dissertation for a PhD is entirely focused on research, therefore, the more the research, the more references. Some universities provide a clear-cut mandate about the number of references to be included in the dissertation. So if your university gives any terms, kindly stick to them. If you found the video useful, watch more such videos on our page and write your dissertation flawlessly. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave us comments for related queries. Until the next time.